This Galaxy S25 lineup is about to be the most mid lineup of all time. Let's talk about it. So, I talked about this a couple days ago when I talked about the Galaxy S25 Plus, which, to be honest, looks very similar to the Z Fold 6 type boxy-like design, squared off design. And that's exactly what's happening here with this phone as well, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's this kind of just same exact copy and paste for the Z Fold 6, and I don't dislike it. I really don't. I do think it looks good. It's one of those things where it's like, I'm used to it now with the Z Fold 6 because I've used it for so, long now. But it's like, I don't want it on every single Samsung product possible. It works on the Z Fold 6, it does. But at the same time, curved edges are still cool, It's still fun to have stuff that isn't just a box, or I guess a rectangle. So, it is what it is at the end of the day, but I really wish that we did go ahead and maybe got, again, something new. I don't know. I guess that's another thing. It's like, because I'm so used to the Z Fold 6, I just kind of wanted something new for the S25 lineup, but the S25, the S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra are all going to be like this. So all going to be a boxy type design, boxy type look, a rectangular look here, where it's really just, again, the Z Fold 6, but without all the extra, Z Fold features. It's the same exact design, which is just a very flat, kind of boxy type look, which it works. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Like, I'm not trying to sit here and say that this looks bad. It doesn't. It looks good. It's just, I don't know. It's just mid. It's mid. That kind of is average. It's okay. Yeah. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I mean, again, compared to, like, for example, I'm just going to pull it up here real fast on Google. Just a little side-by-side, or not side-by-side, but a little image here. This is the S24 Ultra. And again, it has the curved edges. It does have a flat front display, which is fine. I think that's absolutely okay. It's just, with the flat front display, at least the sides are kind of curved, so it's like more of an actual like curved cell phone. This is just a box. Like, this is, what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the Nothing phone. If you guys have ever seen a Nothing phone, it's very similar to this, how it looks. And that phone came out, the Nothing phone, that came out, I believe, in 2015. But the same design. It's a rectangular box. So it's like a slab of glass, Put walls around it, and you have the phone. Very interesting. Anyway, I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to check out these for yourself. This was AndroidHeadlines.com. I posted this, but I'll leave it linked down below. You can just click on the link if you'd like to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one.